Now, I think what excites me the most about this work is knowing just how much untapped human potential there is in the world. And that by helping people to tap into that, by igniting their passions and building on their innate strengths, we spark positive change, not just for the individuals, but for their families, the organizations, and communities as a whole.
How many people have gotten angry at the feedback that they were given? You don't have to raise your hand. I'll admit that I've gotten angry before. But then you think about it, like, how silly is that? Have you ever been driving down the highway and your speedometer gives you feedback and says you're going a little fast? Do you like pull the car over, rip the speedometer out, and start braking it? So if you don't get angry at that feedback, you recognize it as feedback. You change your response, you lift up on your foot a little bit, or you tell the Uber driver to slow down.
Everything a person wants in life is just on the other side of false beliefs or self-imposed limitations. And the journey beyond these barriers unlocks our true potential for happiness, success, and joy. And the more that we're living into our true potential, the greater positive impact we can have on the world.
Guy that's working with us over at the recovery residence, and I love the way that he'll sit down with some of our guys that are in just entering recovery from substance use disorder, and he'll tell them, you know, just because you're trying to get rid of or throw out some behaviors and experiences that you had in your past, don't throw out all the skills that you developed along the way. It was that we were talking about the person applying for their job and like how they can creatively kind of mold their experience to talk about the positive aspects of them. Well, there's a lot of truth to that. Even though, you know, a lot of the things that you're doing you don't want to do anymore, you still gained a lot of strength. You've used some creativity.
I just had an opportunity to watch Garret Biss give a presentation, and I'm telling you something right now. This guy is on fire.
I highly recommend you take some time out of your schedule to sit at the feet of Garret. He is a master of his trade.
One of the most empowering speaker trainers that I've had the privilege to witness.
When individuals are empowered to reach their true potential, there's no limit to what can be achieved at the companies or the organizations they work for.